I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
Hi, and thank you for tuning in. I have 2 boxes to do an unboxing on today, and the first one is something that is very special. I'm very happy to get, and it is connected to this, which is just an Amazon order. So let me pop this one open and we'll see how that one relates to it. With Amazon, you never quite know what condition your stuff is going to come in. If you're getting it from a seller on Amazon, you can always send them an email, ask them, and they should be able to tell you the condition of what you're getting. But when you're ordering from Amazon's warehouse, you're kind of at their mercy. So we'll see what we get. And I already see a bent box inside. Okay. Well, first off, we have something where I will be adding to my Pop Rocks collection with prints. Purple Rain prints. So this is the one where I could immediately see there is a big old bend on the back of the box. See if the rest of it looks okay. The rest of it looks all right. Maybe I can live with that. We'll see. With the Pop Rocks, the most important thing to look for is what condition, if they have a guitar, what condition the guitar is in. Since that's thinner plastic, they do tend to, the further there is a support on that guitar neck, bend. So always, if you can, get it from a shop where you can buy it in person and make sure that the bend is not too bad. So Prince is holding the guitar neck pretty far up to the head, so there's support for it, and it looks good. It's a great looking figure. I do believe there is a diamond collection version of this as well, and there are 2 other princes in the line. There's number 79 is this one, the Purple Rain. Number 80 is Around the World in a Day, where Prince is in a blue outfit with clouds, and then there is the Three-Eyed Girl one where he's wearing glasses that have 3 lenses on it. But this is the one I wanted, and it will be going in the Pop Rocks collection. Next up, Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean from British television, British comedy. And this one is bent too on the side. Let's see how the rest of it looks. A little bent on the top too. And on the corner here. So, not in great shape. If you've seen my other video with Mr. Bean, you will know that I got the limited chase version. And I was a little disappointed because I really love Mr. Bean, and I wanted to have Mr. Bean and Teddy, and so now I have him. And the chase version is the one where he gets a giant turkey stuck on his head when he is trying to make Christmas dinner for his girlfriend. So look for that video if you didn't see it, and you can see the piece better. But Mr. Bean. And now 2 more figures. And one of these is bent too. So this one came wrapped up in some plastic, so that probably means Amazon was reselling it from someone whose stock they took. It's in bad shape. So it's Wendy Torrance, and in here we have Danny Torrance. So this one, since it was coming from some seller that was selling it through Amazon, this one looks okay. But the one, unfortunately, that's from Amazon itself, big bend on the top. The whole back is dented in all the way through. But here's Jack. I've had Jack in the collection for a while. So we got the whole family together in time for the Dr. Sleep movie, which is the sequel to The Shining, which will be coming out, I believe, later this year. If you can, of course, go and read the Stephen King book first before you see the movie, and it'll be a very rewarding experience. But the Torrance family from The Shining, very happy to have them all together. If only their boxes would have been in good shape. So now, the special mystery box. Oops. This is taped up pretty good. And it's packed with a little bit of bubble. And what we have here are the Grady twins, also from The Shining. Ooh, creepy, creepy. So here what you're going to see is a different sticker than you might expect to see, because this was an exclusive to Target in the United States. But what this says is popculture.com, which is from Australia. So the seller of this got it from Australia and then was reselling them. So it is the Grady twins, very creepy. Come play with us, Danny, come play, from The Shining, and I'm very happy to add them to the collection along with the rest of the Torrance family. And here's Danny. If I could make a suggestion to Funko for a great movie moments scene, it would be neat to have Danny on his big wheel going down the hallway, maybe with the Grady twins in there, or maybe just him going with the carpeting. Let me see, if you look at the side of Danny, you can see the carpeting. So that would be a neat movie moments or Funko ride pop to get. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks a lot, and see you later. Bye-bye.